Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your address to Segwit address in Bither Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, go to the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will find the option named Switch to Segwit address. Click on it and click on OK button. So that is how you can switch to a Segwit address in Bither application. To switch it back to the normal mode, go to the settings tab and click on switch to normal address button. Now confirm it by clicking on OK button. So that is how you can switch to Segwit address in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.